Hey guys, today we're going to be cleaning my K&N filter. This is the K&N filter I bought for my 2009 Ford Focus. I've had this in the Focus since I originally replaced the stock paper filter that comes with that. And that was at, I believe, 40,000 miles. The car now has almost 140,000 and I'm still using the same filter. I'm a huge fan of these K&Ns. I know there's a lot of people who either fans or they seem to hate them. There's not really a lot of in-between ground, but I've never had an issue with this filter. And for being in the car for 100,000 miles, yeah, it's a little bit dirty right now, but you have to clean them occasionally, reapply oil, and it's not that hard a process. So step one is actually after you remove it from your car and you want to clean it, which you only do every 50,000 miles. I tend to do this once a year, or if I've been driving a lot in dirty environments, I believe K&N says to clean it more frequently. So maybe if you're in a really dusty area or a lot of dirty highway travel, rural routes, you might need to clean yours every 20,000. But it's a really simple process. All you do is remove it from your car, and then you take their power cleaner. You can buy a kit that comes with the cleaner and the oil that you need to reapply. And this, you just liberally spray all over the both sides of this and let it sit for 10 minutes. Importantly, you don't want to let this dry in. Now, I've already sprayed this one a little bit. That's what the droplets are around there. But it's just a pump spray, and all you do is spray it onto the filter liberally. Now, a lot of people won't think about this part, but you should probably take this somewhere where it can sit and dry and you're not going to worry about things getting messed up. I already have mine here over a bucket, and it's in my laundry room wash sink, so I can wash this out. If you take it in the garage and spray it off, then you might have to walk around to somewhere, because when you clean this, you have to run cool water through this after you have let this sit for 10 minutes. And if you have to walk around with a filter dripping everywhere, your wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, whoever, might not be too happy with you. But let's just get this side covered again. Then we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes, and then we are going to rinse this thing out and then let it dry and then reinstall this in my car. Alright, stay tuned.